We started at 4:30 in the morning and now it's almost 8 o'clock. So in 3 hours and a half. And the travel going to Sydney from Melbourne is 8 hours and 30 minutes. And so far we had 2 stops already. 3 hours pa lang, naka 2 stops na kami. So, we'll bring you with us. Punta tayo ng Sydney. Sunduin natin sila mama at papa. And tignan din natin ang Sydney. Sydney and we're driving under the Harbour Bridge. Wala kami, pero okay lang. See it? Mom, Dad! That's the Opera House. Jada, look!
Finally, I'm here in the Opera House.
Yay! Yay! Kakarating lang. Pasyal agad. Jaden! Jaden, my love! See? What's that big one? Wow, wow, wow.
It looks like a killer whale.
Killer whale. Yeah. So we finally made it. Sobrang hangin, but it's perfect kasi mainit. But yes, guess where we are? Honey! Ikat tayo, ikat. Ta-da! Made it to Sydney! Yeah?
One of a kind type of structure. It's a very sophisticated design.
Oh, talaga
The
naman.
architect really put in
Oh.
that effort to come up with this unique design.
Wow, okay. So, this is also the Harbour Bridge, by the way. And then, Sydney Opera. Hi, Han.
Ganda. Amazing. Mount Everest.
Ang taas naman. Ayun yung mga tao sa taas, no? Oh my God, meron nga.
Diba? May mga tao sa taas.
So, basically, you can go up the bridge for what, Dad?
experience.
For experience.
Oo.
Kabayan. Daming kabayan.
It's called that Bridge Mountain.
Dad, Mom, how are you feeling?
Yeah.
Are you happy, Dad? Are you?
Yeah.
Mom!
Oh,
Nagawa mo. Are you happy, Mother?
of course. I saw
Opera house.
the opera house.
Interview. Okay. And what's your
I've
thoughts?
heard it a long time ago.
Yes.
Now the actual. And it's nice. Really.
Ganda.
What?
I like the space.
It's cool.
It's cool. A while ago it's hot, now it's cold.
Yes. And I believe it's time for dinner because the kids are exhausted. Honey, how are you? What's your thoughts of the opera house, love?
Opera? Opera house? Good. Amazing.
Yun lang? Ha?
Feeling. Feeling.
Buti pa si Papa. Supportive.
Oh, yan.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh.
Guys, may nakita kami. Ano to? It's a kangaroo
I got something.
scrotum lang naman. Ref magnet lang, Mom. Ref magnet lang.
Hey, Papa, up here.
Ito. I got this. And I told Mom, titingin lang kami. Ayan, ang bilis ng kamay. Mama, wait lang. Ano yun? Bibili mo?
Win, inagda ko na ito.
Oh, thanks, Mom. Thank you, Mother. You're so kind. Ay, wait lang, Mother. Ano yan?
Ano siya?
Ah, Rebecca. Okay naman.
Ano to? Yung solar?
Ayoko yan. Ito, papakita ko sa'yo. Dali mo lang yan.
Pero ang
Ay,
sound
okay.
yun eh.
Si Ruth? Ito sa'yo bagay, Han. Honey. Grumpy, hindi. Number 1 dad. That's you, honey.
Solar keychain.
Cool. I think I had that before, Han. Binigyan mo na ako niyan before. Honey, may papakita ko sa'yo. Where's the bracelet? Don't get the bracelet, okay, love?
I'm not. I already put it
Han, ito ata gusto mo.
It's a bar.
Han, ano to? Thank you, Mommy! Yay!
Mom. Hey, Mom.
So sweet.
Hey,
Thanks,
Mom.
Mom. Nabudol ka na naman, Mom. Magkano yun? OMG! Mama, may hat ka for tomorrow kasi magzuzu tayo. Mainit. Ada? Okay, good. Honey, ganun ka. Lapit ka. Kunyari kinikis sa'yo. Isabel. Isabel. Isabel.